Hello traders, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. First announcement is that I uploaded an ARC tutorial to Telegram. This I think it's pure gold for many traders, and I'm giving it away to my subscribers for free. So by all means, get into the Telegram group and just download the tutorial. There are no strings attached. Um, Before I begin, I want to talk about trading mindset because there are two kinds of traders at the moment. The first kind is the ones who had the proper understanding to long Bitcoin while it was in a pullback or at the initial stages of the uptrend. The second kind is the one that doubted this uptrend and if they are currently sitting on the sidelines feeling left out. To the long traders, I want to say that this is a honey trap. What do I mean? I mean that when the market is rising, it fools you into thinking that it will stay that way forever, and it will most certainly not. So, what should you do? I think that a smart trader takes profit while the asset is rising in price and buys into the downtrend. Currently, Bitcoin is in an uptrend, but we do not know how long it will last or how high it will go. So, the sensible thing to do as a trader is to take some profit off the table and use it later to buy the pullback. To the second trader who doubted this uptrend, I say that there will be many chances to catch good trades in the future. What you shouldn't do is revenge trading, such as trying to short Bitcoin without a good reason, or opening a long trade at resistance and have no doubt Bitcoin is currently at resistance. Now, let's get into the TA. In the previous video, I introduced two possible scenarios, the bullish and the bearish. I said that I was leaning bullish, and I'm happy that Bitcoin indeed followed the bullish track. The target was reached perfectly, the 1.618 fib extension at 50,500. And currently, the question is Bitcoin going to pull back right now, straight away, or is it going to continue higher? I think that there is a fair chance that Bitcoin continues a bit higher, as high as 52K. And the reason I think it is going to continue higher is that it shows absolutely no sign of breaking down. Currently, you can see that Bitcoin is consolidating below resistance and it doesn't show any sign of weakness or any sign of a distribution schematic. By the way, if you are interested to learn about accumulation and distribution schematics, what's called the Wyckoff theory, let me know in the comments. What I mean by distribution schematic, I mean that Bitcoin will form a range. Following that range, we will see a deviation above resistance, which will immediately close the candle to the downside and will start a pullback. I currently see no evidence of a distribution and I see no sign of weakness in Bitcoin, and therefore I must assume that Bitcoin is going higher to as high as 52. However, if Bitcoin will pull back from its current level, I am looking for an entry at the 0.382 fib retracement, which is at about 46K. Yes, Bitcoin could pull back to the 0.236 at 47,500 or between, but I think that Small pullbacks do not justify adding to my long position because after such a strong uptrend, I'm expecting a more substantial pullback, and I will wait for this pullback and I will just ride what I have left of my long positions. If you are really, really interested in longing Bitcoin, then maybe the point 236 at 47,600 is the level for you. However, taking a long trade without a substantial pullback carries a risk, and you should know that by now. That's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps. I will upload chart requests later. And guys, please join the Telegram group and download the tutorials. Okay? Thank you very much and goodbye.